We're not there yet. All right. And here we are. So, first step when you're solving problems like these is to find a common denominator. In this case, your common denominator is 10. So you're going to multiply both sides by 10. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So you have 5x. 5 goes into 10 2 times. And again, be careful. Just wait to distribute. Write it out first and then distribute. It helps you with your signs if you do it this way. Here you're going to get 5x equals to 2x plus 6. And divide or subtract 2x. Subtract 2x. 5x minus 2x is 3x equals 6. Divide by 3, and you will get x is equal to 2. And again, typically you would take this answer and start plugging it in, but here there's nothing to plug it into on the bottom. And people say, well, how about plugging it in on top? You don't have to plug it in on top. Remember that 0 on top is okay, so we're not worried about that anyway. The only time we ever worry is when we have 0 in the bottom. That would be no, and that would be the issue for us. Okay, but as long as we don't have a denominator that has a exponent or variable in it, we're in good shape. Okay, so the answer for the first one is 2. Okay, good. Now, how about the second one? You're going to factor first. You're going to make this x minus 1, x minus 5. Now, the x minus 1, x minus 5, that would then become your common denominator. So it's x minus 1, x minus 5.
Whoa, what?
You probably didn't know you could do that, didn't you?
What?
Didn't have any idea.
He just moved the. Oh my god.
All right. Now, your common denominator is x minus 1, x minus 5. So, multiplying through by x minus 1, x minus 5. X minus 1, x minus 5. X minus 1, x minus 5. Now, what happens? I'm going rainbow colors this time. X minus 1, cancel. X minus 5, cancel. X minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 1, x minus 1, all cancel. So what are you left with? 3 x minus 5 plus 2 x minus 1 equals 13. Okay. Distribute. 3x minus 15 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 13. 3x and 2x is 5x minus 17 equals 13. Add 17, add 17. 5x is equal to 30. Divide by 5, and you'll get x is equal to 6. Okay. All right, any questions on that? All right, so what's your common denominator?
X minus 5.
Common denominator in this case is x minus 5. Remember that the x is not in the denominator. It's just x minus 5. So x minus 5 here, x minus 5 here, and x minus 5 here. Here you got x minus 5. Here the x minus 5, the x minus 5 are going to cancel. You get 2x equals x minus 5, cancel, you get 10. This is x squared minus 5x plus 2x equals 10. So x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 if you subtract 10 to both sides. There you have to factor x minus 5, x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then you're going to solve that independently. So you're going to get x equals 5 and x equals 2. or x equals negative 2, excuse me. Now, let's pause. I want to go back to the previous problem we just worked. You see, I got x equals 6 for the answer, did I not? And I never took that answer and went back and checked it, did I? If you remember, I never said anything about going back and checking that thing. Now, here's the deal. If you forget to check it like I forgot to check it last time, and when you plug it in, it works anyway, then I never know whether you checked it or not. How will I know if you don't check it?
It doesn't work.
If you get negative 2 and 5 as your answer, well, then what do I know? You didn't check it. Why? Because if you take 5 and you plug it in, 5 minus 5 is 0. That becomes 10 divided by 0, which is undefined. So, Tim, you did a pretty good job of getting the two answers. But you always have to remember that the 5, in this case, does not work. I will tell you that negative 2 does work. When you plug it back in, it's not 0. And so, with that being said, negative 2 is the answer. I don't know who had the bonus question today, but I know who has it on Thursday. Join us on Thursday for Grace's bonus question.